Okay, so I'm here to show you the latest Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. This is the perfect foundation for the no makeup days. It just evens out my skin tone and delivers a soft, blurring finish. I wanted to make sure there's a foundation option for all types of people and all different types of lifestyles. So if you don't like full coverage, or if you're someone who wears like a tinted moisturizer, this one's for you. You can see how quickly it blends into my skin and instantly gives that blurring effect. The lighter coverage and the more neutral undertones are so flexible. We're able to capture our full 50 shade range in 25 shades. Everyone who found their Pro Filter shade has an Eaze Drop shade. I wear shade number 13, which is great for everyone who wears 310 to 320 in our Pro Filter foundations. To apply, just shake and use 2 to 3 drops. Blend it with your fingers, or you can use the Precision Makeup Sponge or the full body foundation brush to buff it into the skin.